Hello everyone, this is Lakshay from ZEX Media and today we are at HyperVerge and we have Sairanjan and Sarthak over here. Hello, how are you guys?
Hi, we're good. How are you?
All good, all good.
So you enjoying the event?
Pretty much, yes. Are you?
Me too, me too.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So what's going on so far for the event? Day one is already ended, right? It's the second day of the event. So how's the crowd over here? Is it fruitful to you?
Yeah, so basically we've had a lot of conversations with a lot of interesting folks. We've learned a lot about a lot of different companies that we didn't know about, so it's been very fruitful for us.
Great. Can you just explain a little bit how the HyperVerge exactly works? What is it?
Sure. So HyperVerge is an AI-based KYC service provider. We basically do KYC for different companies in different industries. And these industries include financial services, fintechs, lending, insurance, gaming. And we basically provide different products like digital KYC, video KYC, KYB as well as AML searches.
So you have a pretty wide area of enabling the customers as well as the business,
Absolutely.
right?
Correct. Absolutely.
So what's the process for any business or any customer to join your journey?
Sure. I think Sarthak.
Yeah. So, one of the main problems, I'll start with the problem we're solving and then get to how we're solving it, how we're integrating it. So, if you remember back in the days, you had to physically go to a bank office, have your account opened. But if you're wondering how you opened your SBI account in the last 3 years, it was done with you sitting at home via HyperVerge's software. So, what we're solving for is remote onboarding, digital onboarding, and how you can integrate with that is, for example, if you're any banking entity, any non-banking entity, you either reach out to us or we reach out to you. We sit down with you, we figure out what you're trying to solve, how you want to onboard your customers, etc. We set up sandboxes for you, we set up testing environments for you. It's as simple as see what you like, you buy what you like. It's as simple as that. That's pretty much how it goes.
So you're already being in the market for a long time, I guess.
Yeah. So we've been in the BFSI space since 2017. Although our journey started much longer because our co-founders were a bunch of computer science enthusiasts and they were interested in computer vision. That's how it all started. And in 2017, we decided we wanted to solve real world problems. One of them being financial inclusion, making sure that credit should be available to everybody, not just the creamy layer of the country, but everybody, from the tier 1 cities to the most rural of the areas. So we decided supporting financial inclusion was our goal. And since then, we've been in the BFSI space. If you can look behind, we have been able to partner with some of the largest.
Yeah, there are a lot of logos that people must be already aware of, and you probably be using the HyperVerge, platform to do your KYC stuff.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah, that's right. Very high chances that as of today, 1 out of 3 Indians do their KYC via HyperVerge. And that is a badge we carry and we are proud of as well.
Most of the KYCs are especially the video KYCs. They have been boomed a lot since last 3 to 4 years, right?
That's very true, especially with COVID coming, physical, brick and mortar branches closing down. There has been, personal mandates that I as a person would rather sit at home and do my KYC rather than, walk out on the street, go to a bank and do it. So yeah, that is a shift we've seen. Everything is going digital. Everything we know is either phygital or digital. And that is where like you mentioned, video KYC and any other mode of KYC has boomed.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of stuff like this is boomed since the 2020, since the lockdown. A lot of services have moved to the digital, and this is the part where that's been already struggling since long because having staying in those lines for a long time in banks for the KYC and other stuff as well. That takes a hideous amount of efforts from customers to businesses to everyone, right? And you just helped everyone to solve it.
Exactly.
So, apart from that, what do you guys feel? This is the favorite part of you for the HyperVerge.
The favorite part of me would be, I would say, getting to meet a lot of new people that I didn't think I would meet normally. Getting to know a lot of new experiences. I would say that would be the favorite part of me at HyperVerge.
What about you?
Along the same lines, there's a lot of exposure. So, looking at it as two things. One is the industry itself. We're in SaaS. We're especially in AI SaaS, which is AI is the future with ChatGPT, everything coming up. So it feels good to be a part of the future. That is one thing. And at an organizational level, I'm really happy with where I am, what I get to do, the ownership I get, the people I get to meet. So yeah, happy on both fronts.
We just gave you a really good stage to present yourself, present your skills, right?
Very true. So I'm 1 year fresh out of college, and the amount of
Okay.
exposure I've gotten, the amount of learnings I've gotten, I think it's phenomenal, and I don't think I can get this anywhere else. This is not me endorsing the brand, but this is me just speaking my heart out. Yeah.
I'm really happy for you, having such a good stage for you, and also giving such a good service to all the customers you guys have,
Absolutely.
right? So thank you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and also the day tomorrow. That's the last day of the event. So thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. Likewise.